Hello guys, in today's video we're introducing the sleek and powerful Blackview Shark 8, the latest addition to the lineup. The Blackview Shark 8 features a 6.78-inch display with the FHD Plus resolution of 2480 by 1720 pixels, boasts a remarkable 120Hz peak refresh rate. This device is equipped with the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, 8GB of RAM and a generous 256GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1TB via microSD card. In the camera department, the Blackview Shark 8 sports an excellent 64MP primary camera on the rear, complemented by the 30MP selfie shooter on the front. The phone runs on the Android 13 with the Blackview's DokeOS 4.0 layer on the top. Under the hood, you will find a respectable 5000 mAh battery, supporting 33-watt fast charging. Blackview claims the battery can provide up to 7 hours of video streaming and 6 hours of gameplay. Additionally, it features a cooling solution to keep the temperature below 39 degrees Celsius during intense gaming seasons. The Blackview Shark 8 is currently available at an incredibly affordable price, likely to sell out quickly, which becomes available on November 11th on the Aliexpress. The company will offer the first 50 units at just $93.99, so hurry up. The official links are below this video. Be sure to check them out and grab your new Shark 8 today while there's still a chance. You can choose from Galaxy Blue, Scorching Gold and Moonlight Gray color options. That's all for now. See you soon in the next video. Bye.